Removing your home address from your Apple Maps is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to remove your home address from Apple Maps, you can either delete it from your Contacts app or remove it directly from the Maps app. Now, I'm going to show you how to remove it from the Maps apps. Now, once you load up your Maps app, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom dialog box where it says search maps. You're going to click on it, and we're going to click on the X sign that says to cancel the search. Now, as you can see, it has a section that shows places. So you're going to click on places, go to saved places, and the saved places will show your home address there. So you can click on these three dots from here, and you can go to delete from places. Now you're going to click on delete, and just like that, the home address should be deleted. Now that's how to remove home address from Apple Maps. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.